Yeah, hi guys. I just wanted to show you some of my Airfix 54 millimeters. These are cavalry. I've been working on these for, I don't know, 15 years probably. I've done them all except for, well, I've done them all. I'm just finishing up George Washington. It's the last one in the series of the Horse and Riders. But they're super cool, lots of fun. They take a while to build. Great detail. There's the Currasiur, and just spin this around. We've got, here's the Hussar coming up. You see him. Very cool. Yeah, great detail. They are challenging to paint. It would be nice if I had a magnifying glass and a very fine brush. But there's the two of them. Two of them. Here, I'll switch them out and put a couple more on for you. Use my hands. The Bengal Lancer. Oh, I'm losing focus. There we go, that's better. And I'll show you the lifeguard. There's the lifeguard. He's pretty cool. They're all plastic model kits. They're all out of the box. I haven't done anything special to them, except for added the base. It's just a piece of bark. I'll show you another one here. This one, I forget which one this one is. This was the first one I did, and again, back 15 years ago. The paint job wasn't the greatest. Actually, it was quite terrible, but On the horse anyway. But he's still pretty cool. Here they are. Oh. And I'll show you a couple more. There's two more, and then there's George Washington. I'm just finishing him. I have to paint the horse and put him on a base. Okay, I'll switch these out. There's my musketeer. I've been adding a little bit of paint to him over the last couple days. Just trying to highlight it a bit better. That's my Cavalier. I'll switch this guy out. And the last one that I'll show you is this one. And I've built most of the standing figures, except for 4 of them in the series. I don't, I have to source those ones out, find them probably on eBay. So I've done all the standing figures, except for 4 of them. And they're super cool too, and I'll show you those in another video. Anyway, Airfix 54mm, super cool, great builds. Okay, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up, make a comment if you like. Take care. Have a good night. Oh, and here is my Currasiur 54mm. Oh, he looks nice. I put him on a big, on a base of concrete, just a big chunk of concrete that I found. And he's out of the box. All the strappings in plastic. I'm starting to use paper now. The plastic yellows and becomes brittle after a while, so I'm using paper for the straps.
So I go up this pile, I lower myself down, military style on the bathroom floor. I open the door slowly. I can see their legs dangling on the couch, and I can see the bag of needles. It's like in my scope of vision. I know that I can grab it.
Let's see how far I can zoom in on this.
On military style, I'm slithered to the bag, grab. I have to do a 180 on my stomach, and all of a sudden, I hear Pink Floyd's Money. My ringtone on my cell phone going off. Right as I'm leaving.
Yeah, really nice model kits. They fit well.
It was very quick.
Parts go together well.
But they figured out that I was in there, threw me up against the wall. One of them punched me in the face, broke my nose. So my eyes were watering. I could barely see anything.
There you go. Take care. Have a great night. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it.